My name is Wade from the Moby Media team, and today we're diving into a project that's been catching some attention in the world of cryptocurrency. This is a project called Stanley Pup, and whether you're into meme coins or just curious about the crypto space, you'll want to stick around for this as it's pretty interesting. So let's get right into it. First up, let's break down what Stanley Pup is all about. At its core, Stanley Pup isn't just another digital currency, it's a meme coin with a playful community and some intriguing features. The coin is currently in phase 3 of its development roadmap, with major milestones like a $1 million volume and growing social media presence. Their website boasts a simple yet effective layout where you can get all the basic info, check out their roadmap, and even see updates on the project's progress. Of course, to get some more information, you can always check out their other social media links, their X, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Getting your hands on some Pup isn't too complicated. Pup is their ticker. They've got a whole section on their website dedicated to guiding newbies through the process. The community also remains active, as mentioned, providing support through platforms like Telegram and Twitter. And if you're the kind of person who prefers watching over reading, they've got you covered with a series of videos on their YouTube channel. These range from basic tutorials to the latest updates about the project. Some of them are highlighted on the front page of the website. Now, one thing that stands out about Stanley Pup is its community engagement. They're very active on social media where they share updates, engage with followers, and even run giveaways. There's been a very interesting one recently where the developer is giving away half of his wallet, so be sure to take a look at that. This creates a very vibrant community that's definitely playing a big part in the coin's appeal. And if you've been around from the meme coin space, then you know that community is very powerful. They also have a unique approach to transparency, openly sharing wallet addresses for different purposes like marketing, development, and incidental costs right on their website. This transparency is a big plus in the crypto world where transparency isn't always a given. So again, on their website, they share all of their wallets, and you can go ahead and put that into a blockchain explorer and see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Looking ahead, Stanley Pup has some big plans, from expanding their marketing efforts to launching their own NFTs and aiming for major exchange listings. With a stated goal of reaching a $250 million market cap, the next phases of their roadmap are definitely ambitious. So whether you're just curious about how meme coins work or you're considering dipping your toes into the crypto pool, Stanley Pup is a project that's worth keeping an eye on. Well, that wraps up our look at Stanley Pup. Let me know what you think. Is the world of meme coins something you're interested in, or is it all just a bit too wild for your taste? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Always remember, this is not financial advice. We're just sharing media that we find on the web, and we'll catch you on the next one.